I got a 2016 Nissan Rogue. I'm gonna check out the cabin filter on my car. My car only has about 20,000 miles, and it's a couple years old. I'm gonna go ahead and check out the filter and see what it looks like, see if I need to order one or not. It's actually located underneath on the passenger side here. It's located right up in here. Okay. It's a little tricky to get to. A little tricky to get to. Basically, you got to take this door off that's right here. Okay. So just pull on that right there. We need to move these over a little bit. All right. I got the car running right now. I got the car running so it will blow any of the trash out. Just like these leaves right here. It's a pretty funky design how this is. The filter's kind of just crammed in there. Here's my filter. I'm not gonna pull it out all the way. Well, I guess I'll pull it out all the way. And it actually is pretty darn clean, man. If you need to get one of these, I'll leave a link down in the description box where you can get one. You can get your new one. And just notate where the old one, the airflow or the arrow, how it came out. Get your new one and you just jam it back in there, put the little door back on. You're good to go. I'm gonna go and turn the air off now. It's kind of blowing stuff around. And it might be a little bit easier if you take the glove box apart. Might be able to see a little bit better. Get your new one and you just push her in there. Alright, get her in there. Get your door here, and it just slides right on. Slide it right back on. What's cool about Nissan is they figure you're gonna service this thing, and these little points might wear out. They leave a little hole here where you can put a screw in and secure it if this gets worn out. Well, that's pretty much it with the video. If this was useful, do me a favor and leave me a comment or hit that thumbs up button. Thanks. Bye.